These are two models that I bought when I had the good fortune to be travelling through Singapore a few weeks ago, and I had a display of various different Gundam and models in a model shop there in the airport actually, and I thought I'd pick myself up two of these. So today I'm going to experiment with this one. I might even build it. So this is a Gundam Artifact Phase 3. This one's slightly cheaper than the frame. I assume it's got its own frame, or it doesn't need a frame. Lineup 5. I've got no idea which this one was. It's got a barcode on which I need to scan to get the instructions again, I think. But let's have a look what's inside it first. Let's open it. Oh no, this looks a bit more... it's got instructions in it, which is good. So ironically, this was cheaper, and it looks like it's got more sprues in it, more parts. I wonder if it'll be slightly smaller. I'm not sure, so at least I don't need to go and scan anything. Not that I can see much on this, but if it's the numbers, all we need is the numbers. So this is number 11. Where does it say number 11 on it? Oh, 11. It's a GOUF Flight type. So these aren't coloured sprues. Well, it's all this sort of desert camouflage look. Well, let's de-sprue it. So 4 sprues. That's 11A, that one. This is 11D. Okay, so it must be A, B, C. That's C. And that's B. So it looks like I need to take numbers 38 and 39 first. So let's just work through that together, and then afterwards I will do a montage. So I think this is, no, that's 71 and 70. Oh, there we go. Quite small. 30, that's 39 and 38. Okay, so that's those two. 38 and 39, and then there's a number 40, which is like a thing that pops through these longer parts. So 40, doesn't seem to be a 40 on that one, annoyingly. I think the skill in this is just going to be finding the pieces. 40 there. Oh, teeny little piece. In fact, it's dropped off on its own. I think this is going to be quite fiddly. Then what are the pieces here, there? It looks like 36 and 37. Long, leggy sort of pieces. They're probably not that long. Oh, there's 36. 36 and 37 there. All right, so let's get those off. 36 and 37. Oh, these are the arms. I've just seen the little hand on the edge. The little fist there. So these two go together. Simples. That sticky out bit is at the side. Then this teeny little debris, I think it goes with the thinner end first. Goes into there. Well, that's it. Oh, it goes quite deeply in the end. And then these two somehow fit around it. I wish I knew what it was going to look like. So that goes with that up. Does it go in there? That makes sense if it does. Yeah, and then this other one closes it. That looks like some shoulder blades and the epaulette thing. Okay, so that's his little arm. Right. Okay, so that's the first bit. I've obviously got to repeat this with the other side. So I'm just going to put some music on. I'm not going to talk over this, and I'm just going to get it done now. So let's just see where we go from there. So there you go, there's my first Gundam build, Gundam Artifact. And now of course I've worked out that on the back of the pack there's different pictures of it, but I've also worked out that that is the actual size, very much different to this one, with still actual size on it. So that's interesting. Maybe why the boxes are so little. But I probably took about 2 hours to build this. I had to go and get eye enhancements halfway through it to be able to see some of the numbers on this and trying to work out where we were going with it. I really enjoyed that. I don't know whether I should have used some glue. I'm going to paint this, I think. I'll work out what I can do to paint it. And then it's quite a cool little figure. It's not articulated in any way, he says, moving the arms. Hope you enjoyed that. Found it slightly interesting, a little bit different. I know my Pico videos do much better than any of the craft videos that I do. Oops, another bit fell off. Sometimes I just decide I'll do something and film it. Anyway, please subscribe to see whatever I'll be doing next. Bye.